Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to be talking about what credit scores are made up of. First thing to know is that a credit score ranges from 300 to 850. 670 is considered a good score, with 850 being a perfect score. A credit score is made up of 5 factors of your credit history, including payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit. The first factor in your credit score is payment history, worth 35% of your credit score. Paying your credit accounts on time will improve your credit scores, while paying them late will hurt it. Late payments take into account how much you owe and how late you pay the delinquent account. The second factor in your credit score is amounts owed, worth 30% of your credit score, often referred to as credit utilization. Using a lot of your available credit may tell the banks that you're closer to defaulting on your payments. Using 30% or less of your available credit is the general recommended advice, but if you want the best score, try to keep it less than 10%. The third factor in your credit score is length of credit history, worth 15% of your credit score. This takes into consideration the age of your oldest account, age of your newest account, and average age of all accounts. The fourth factor in your credit score is credit mix, worth 10% of your credit score. This includes, but is not limited to, your mortgage, credit cards, student loans, auto loans, and personal loans. It is not necessary to have each of these to have the best credit score. The fifth factor in your credit score is new credit, worth 10% of your credit score. Opening new credit will have a small impact on your credit score, but it will recover with time. One thing to keep in mind is that new credit will shorten your length of credit history. Thank you for watching the video. If you learned something new, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.